This is what happens when we offer our dog Chloe a cookie. Ready? Check this out.
Chloe, you want a cookie? Does Chloe want a cookie? Chloe wants a cookie? Does Chloe want a cookie? Does Chloe want a cookie? Chloe, you want a cookie? You want a cookie? You want a cookie? You want a cookie? Yes. Let's go get a cookie. Let's go. Let's go get a cookie. Let's go get a cookie. Oh, you want a cookie? Does Chloe want a cookie? Yes. Let's go get the cookie. Does Chloe want a cookie? Does Chloe want a cookie? Come on, Chloe, let's go get the cookie. Does Chloe want a cookie?
Justin, turn on the light.
Does Chloe want a cookie? Chloe wants a cookie?
Wait, seal the bag. You didn't seal it. That's why the cucarachas get in there. Turn on the light.
Oh, great.
Now we got that in there.
Does Chloe want a cookie? Chloe wants a cookie? Chloe wants a cookie? Cookie.
Dale la galleta y para estar chingando con los perros.
Chloe, sit. Sit. Chloe, sit. You're fucking laying down, but anyway.
Alright, tell her no.
You have to tell her to sit. Chloe, give me ball. No, give me ball. Good girl. Now give me the other one. No, give me the other one. Yes. One more time. Chloe, sit. Stay. Chloe, stay. Stay. Stay.
Stop, Mom.
Good girl. Come here, Chloe. Come here. Go. Yes. For the grand finale. Chloe, dance. Chloe, come on. Dance, Chloe, dance.